Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I just wanted to share with you why synthetic substitution works. So if you recall, synthetic substitution is when you, for example, if you have a function like this, I just chose a quadratic function as an example, and if you wanted to find, let's say, f of 3, then you would take 3 and you would substitute 3 in place of every x, correct? So that's what synthetic substitution is. So to suggest to you, to give you an idea why synthetic substitution works, I want to do the following demonstration, so to speak. So let's say if you wanted to find out what f of r was, okay, then you would write the coefficients here and the constant term, that would be a and b and c, right, if you were to do synthetic substitution. And you would make a little cartoon over here, lines like this, and then you would put r over here because you want to find f of r. And then you recall, then you would just drop this a over here like this, and then you would multiply this and this, and you would get ar, and then you would add, and you would get ar plus b, and then you would take this and you multiply this by r, right? And then you put that over here, correct? So that would be, if you multiply this quantity with the r, you would get ar squared plus br, plus br like this. And then you would add these, right? So you would get ar squared plus br plus c. And that's basically what you would get if you were to substitute r in place of x. Correct? So that's how synthetic substitution works. So to drive home the point, let's take this function, okay? This is a third degree function, so this is ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. Let's say if I wanted to synthetically substitute here, if I want to find f of r, and I want to see what that would be. So let's do the same thing. Let's write a, b, c, and d. So, and then I'll give myself plenty of room over here, like this. And I want to substitute r, okay? So again, I bring down the a, just bring it down over here, and then multiply a and r, and put that over here, ar, and I would get ar plus b. And then I would take this quantity and multiply that by r, and put that over here after I multiply it. And then in that case I would get ar squared plus br, right? And then I would add these together. Then I would get ar squared plus br plus c. And then I would take this quantity and multiply this by r, and then I would put the resultant over here. Correct? So and then let's do that. So multiply this by r, I would get ar cubed plus br squared plus cr, and then I would multiply, then I would add those two. So now when you get ar squared plus ar cubed plus br squared plus cr plus d. And if you see, then that's identical to the function, okay, if I were to substitute r in there. So f of r would be ar cubed plus br squared plus cr plus d, okay? So that's basically how synthetic substitution works. Alright, and so it's not as mysterious and magical as it looks when you do it. It's actually quite simple in its algebraic arithmetic, so to speak. Until next time then, as-salatu wa-salamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi. Assalamu alaikum.